Navarro. Kelly, is that you? Good morning.
Oh, Manny, thank God you're there. I've got a dire situation on my hands. I mean dire, and I need your help.
Oh, I see. And what are the symptoms?
Symptoms. He's pale yellow. He's gone limp. And Manny, I think he's lost the will to live.
Kelly, I want you to take a deep breath right now. I want you to bring him over. I have the cure. Dr. Manny is in the house.
Manny, are you sure you want to see this? It's not pretty.
See, the patient is in pain right now. Oh, this poor thing needs lots of love, needs lots of water, needs good soil. And for that, I have the solution for you. We have the good soil with minerals here. And let me find a good pot for you. So I'm gonna say something to give good contrast to that. Let's say, I think right here, not too far away, Kelly. This is a good pot we're gonna use to fix the problem. Let's put them right here. Well, I'm gonna have to say, this poor little thing needs a lot of minerals right now. Lots of more soil, lots of good water, and good fertilizer. So let's see if we can bring this back to life. This is the monkey tail cactus.
It's a monkey tail. It's tiny little.
This baby, you can see how bad it is. Eventually, it's going to be like this, baby. So
wow.
See if we can bring it back to life.
Perfect. I'm excited about this. So we're going to fix him up and make the patient well again.
Let's see what Dr. Manny is going to do. Plastic surgery gloves. But it was small surgery. So he's a little pokey, but Dr. Manny is professional on this. So we're going to try to fix this baby into a new pot with new soil. Okay. This is how we normally share with people so they can do their planting. Pack it down. And now we're gonna try to open the center where we're gonna do the planting for little pots like this. So when you put your plant, use the same bucket to get some more dirt out. So what you do, you try to just open enough room for the plant just to fit them in, because these cactus are a little critical sometimes. So very carefully, right? You see? Now bring it down. Push it down. Shake him. And that's it. There is one tail over here. See, we gotta take care of every baby. Ta-da, Kelly! Boom! Over here, Kelly, you don't even need to worry about it. With money or no money, you always be welcome over here. You don't need money to come over here. We're gonna do this for you right now.
Oh, you're sweet. Thank you so much, Manny. You are the man. Dr. Manuel.
Here we are, Kelly. Let's give a good drink. So gentle right now. We gotta go really gentle so it'll soak the center of the root system. Because if you don't water these carefully and you don't soak the center of the plant, we have high percentage of killing this cactus.
Oh, okay.
So you gotta make sure the center of the root system is drowning with water. And if it comes with fertilizer, trust me, this is going to look so happy next year. Only 1 month from now, it's gonna start recovering. For how long these babies haven't drank at all, Kelly?
What a transformation. I just can't get over how good it looks in that pot, Manny. It looks healthier just being in that pot, repotted.
I'm telling you.
I bet you I have blooms on this soon.
For sure.
So tell us again what kind of fertilizer you use on your cactus.
This is triple 20 fertilizer.
Triple
We,
20.
we're going to show shortly the bag of fertilizer that I use for my cactus and succulents.
Okay.
And you can do all this twice a year if you want to. Like if you have lots of watering, good watering system and good garden, if you don't want to let your garden to be starving, you can put fertilizer twice a year. So this is the fertilizer right here. See the 20-20-20? This fertilizer normally you don't find it so much out there. Sometimes people have to go online, but if they don't find them out there, remember Navarro's Mixed Nursery is selling this product.
Oh, perfect. That's good to know because you didn't used to sell it, did you?
No, no.
This is new.
I only used to get them for myself only, but this is the good thing about this fertilizer. It has the most potential to make your garden beautiful. A little expensive. A bag like this costs you $120.
Ooh.
But this is not type of fertilizer from Home Depot or Lowe's. I throw a rock to them because they sell you stuff that it make your plant look good only for a month or two, and then it fall apart much easier. Because it leaves so much ammonia, eventually the soil becomes so hot in the root system, and that's why plants, they fall apart much easier.
Okay.
So that's the reason why this fertilizer.
But it's diluted, so it's going to last you a while.
That's right.
And how much do you have to put in with, say you use, one of your watering average watering cans? How much would you put in?
I put 4 pounds of fertilizer into 60 gallons of water.
Okay.
So I dilute it and then give the good drink the way we did this baby right now.
Okay. So most of the fertilizers have instructions on them too with,
They can always follow the
ratios.
instructions,
Yeah,
yes.
absolutely. Perfect. Thank you so much, Manny. So beautiful. I love it.
I think this one got plenty of water.
And I am going to find another log so it has a pedestal to sit on because that's going to be beautiful when it grows and drapes down.
Uh-huh.
Really pretty. And here's one this is what I'm looking to achieve right here. Isn't that gorgeous? That is beautiful.
You gotta give a drink to these babies too, because otherwise they're gonna get jealous.
And Manny, you have a special shout out to one of my viewers that loves to see you in the videos. And her name is Lyndall.
Well, I'm gonna have to say thanks to all these beautiful followers from all over the United States of America, all over the world. So happy to hear we have good followers from all over Kelly, and invite her to visit Navarro's Mixed Nursery so we can always give a tour over here, and also she can come and visit you so she can see your garden.
And she lives in Arizona, so there's plenty of choices for her to shop here too.
Arizona is a beautiful state. It has good weather for cactus. Remember that.
Okay, Lyndall, you heard it from the man. He wants you to come. He wants to meet you.
Absolutely. You always be welcome.
The 5-minute cure.
That's it.
What else needs a cure in society today, Manny?
Woo. Kelly, if we talk about it, so many things. So many things. There is so much to do.
Well, what are your plans for the nursery?
Well, the new plans for this nursery is going to be, my belief is, whatever you got to do in your garden, you better get it done now. Because the way I see the economy, this economy is going to boom in the next 20 months. And if you're going to be looking for soil or plants, pretty much every nursery is going to be out of product, Kelly. So you better get this done now. Get all your garden done now. Because even if there is some stuff available, things, they're going to be so expensive, Kelly. So it's better to get it done now.
So have you stocked up here in the nursery for that?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Believe it or not, but this inventory is going to get empty in the next 20 months.
It's going to be busy. So what makes you think the economy is going to make a big boom?
Well, every 10 years we have the up and down. We already touched the bottom part of this recession. It's over. Now you will see people out of nowhere, they're going to start making, even by lifting a blanket, you're going to find money in your bed, you're going to find money in the couch, everywhere. So people is going to find a way to spend that money. And the garden is the number one way to spend money because it becomes so therapeutically.
And you said that putting a pot like this on a pedestal will make it even more dramatic looking in the garden, right?
We want all those followers to follow your videos because we are sharing nothing else than the truth. And this baby, we want people to see what is going to be the before and after, Kelly.
And you said pretty soon we need to stop watering. If we live here on the Central Coast, we need to stop watering our cactus.
Number one advice for anybody who owns cactus here in the coast of the Pacifico or anywhere in the world where they live near the ocean. Never water your cactus from middles of September, maybe beginning of September until the rain comes. Because if you water your cactus like regular plants, they are not thirsty when winter comes, guarantee. Many of you is going to see your cactus dying because it's too much overload of water. So it's better to have them stress a little bit so they feel like if they are in their natural environment. No water from September, October, November until the rain comes, so that way you avoid a lot of rotting issues.
Perfect. And these monkey tail cactus, where do they come from? Where do they originate? Do you
As
know?
far as I know, this cactus is native to Chile, South America.
Okay. And where would they find it in its natural habitat, like
Not too
as
far
a
away
ground
from the
cover?
ocean.
Or? Oh, really?
They're not too
Okay.
far from the ocean.
So that's why they do really well here on the
Ah.
Central Coast of Monterey.
You got him, Kelly. See, you put things together. So.
I listen to you.
No, yeah. They belong to not too far away from the ocean. The mountains, they cascade through the rocks near the ocean. So this is a plant that does really good anywhere along the coast.
He's still playing doctor over here.
We gotta put tiny little soil, Kelly, just to make sure whenever you water, this is going to be so happy. And when you come and you water, you can always add a little more. Keep it a bit lower, just to make sure your baby is gonna do good.
It already looks better. Just being in a different pot.
That's right.
That is really an amazing transformation.
You make a huge difference, right? When you just give a little more, see?
So when you're replanting these with these gloves on, you don't get any kind of cactus pricks or anything in your
Sometimes
hands?
it does go across the glove, through the glove, but since we are so acclimated to spines, I guess we don't feel the pain anymore, Kelly.
Some people I've heard use like folded up towels to move cactus like this, or newspaper, like lots of layers of newspaper to move them.
That's right.
So just some tips for you home growers of cacti. If you're repotting, those are somewhat methods that I've looked at that you can use.
That's right. Many people do that. And it
I've
helps
used
a
two
lot.
shoes put on my hands.
Many people think that cactus are my friends and they don't poke me because they know me very well. So I guess maybe they have some true on that.
You got the magic touch, huh?
I used to be so bad before. Now, hardly any.
You got experience doing this. How long have you been doing this, Manny, with the plants here at the nursery?
I've been collecting cactus for 50 years,
Oh, wow.
53 years. So
So you're
it's
no
been a long
novice. You are Dr. Manuel. Let's go take a look at that cactus that I'm interested in getting. I'm going to get it pretty soon. I want it in the ground before the rains start. So
I will follow you and follow me. So therapeutic and very healthy addiction. Which cactus? Which cactus?
So these are one of the babies here is going to end up in the spiral area.
That's right.
I like this one.
This is a good cactus. These trichos, very beautiful when they get mature, nice blue contrast.
That's what I'm looking for. And it totally goes with, we'll pick up the color of the Perryi agaves that I have too. So, and I love my blues and greens. So it's either this one. So we'll get a vote. Who thinks I should get this one? And it's got a little arm here. So it's going to have an arm coming out. Or this one right here who already has two arms. So I want to vote. Which one do you think I should get? Manny, what's your vote?
Tough choice to make over here. But I believe probably the one with the two arms is going to grow faster to a nice cluster. Eventually, this is going to catch up. This is a little taller,
How fast do they grow?
They can grow up to 2 feet a year, 3 feet in a good hot weather with good water.
And what's the name of these?
This is in the, some people call it Argentinian blue torch. It is in the Trichocereus families.
Do they flower?
Oh yeah.
What color do their flowers
Not
come?
bright flowers, kind of like really light pink.
Okay. Well, that's got to be striking. I'm sure that I've seen that here.
Oh, yeah.
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 Beautiful, beautiful. So everybody put in a vote. Which cactus of these two do you think I should get for my garden?
This
This
is more
one?
healthy to get with.
Or the one with the two
That one
little
is
arms?
fine. It just have a little burn in the side.
So it has a little bit of burn, but this one is really healthy. Remember, I've got time for it to grow, and it's going to grow really tall. So fairly fast, Manny says. So give me a vote. Dr. Manuel, thank you so much for fixing up the patient and repotting my monkey tail cactus to make it healthier. I really appreciate it. It looks beautiful.
Kelly, I'm gonna make a proposal right now. I have good water with fertilizer right now. You want me to give you some water to water them right now, or you wanna water them at home?
I would
water
love if you have fertilized water. I would love that. Then it like saves me having to do it for another 6 months or a year?
I'm gonna say drown it really good right now. Give another good drink, maybe 3 days from now, so it'll drink enough water so it'll start recovering right away.
Perfect. This is a good time to do it too, before they go into their dormancy through the winter.
I believe so, especially the patient you brought because he's desperate to drink right now.
I'm desperate to drink right now. Got any tequila?
Shout out tequila. I have coffee with tequila.